Okay guys, I wanted to talk about an error message you get when flashing your device to Ubuntu ports or Ubuntu Touch. I was attempting to flash with the newest beta version, 0.5.2, as you can see. It failed, and I was getting this error message that it could not write to the device. Failed with error code 8. You can see that. I'll show you real quick how it looks and works. It works really good, and it's nice having it on this big screen. You can see here, you got your browser, your open store, everything. It auto rotates properly the way you would expect it to. You get your drawers that open. It's silky smooth, and this is on version, let's see, on the I think this is OTA 12 still. Let me see real quick. Takes just a second to load, but that's okay. Let's see about, and it's actually OTA 13. Okay, so it did flash to the newest one. It's really nice. I mean, it's fast. The OTA 12 on my other device, on my Nexus 5, is really quick, but this just is nice the way it opens up really fast and everything. I'm going to go ahead and install Libertine so I can run some containers and run some desktop apps, and I might do a video for that. But anyways, the main thing I wanted to do the video for was to show you that, in fact, the best workaround that I found for the 0.5.2 beta not working was to simply go ahead and switch over to one of the previous beta installers. Anyways, if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them, but the Ubuntu ports or UBPorts forums are probably the best. But anyways, maybe this helps somebody out. Anyways, if you like my videos, like and subscribe. You guys have a great day, okay? Take care.